Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Ryan Curl and I'm a sales executive here at Alpha Bold.
What I'm going to do today is show you guys how to create a lead within Bold Build.
Starting with the new button, go ahead and click on that. Then we're going to start filling out our lead. Starting with the topic, the Mission Impossible, and filling out the name. The rest of this can be filled out as well, including job title, phone number, and email. And the last thing we need to add to this lead is the bidding to. So you can use something in your search bar or create a new account. Once we've created all of that, we can go ahead and hit the save button up top. Congratulations, we've created our first lead. Stick around for how we create this lead into an opportunity.